All of the studies show that a single misfire or mishire can cost your business 150 to 250% of the annual salary. Literally since I was in high school, I've been studying and practicing and learning about best recruiting and hiring practices. It's all about getting the right people on the bus. We built this course for CEOs, HR professionals, and recruiters to hone their hiring and recruiting efforts to become masters at hiring talent who generates over $1 million for their companies. We're going to cover the foundation of the hiring process. We need to figure out an efficient way of evaluating and figuring out whether we've really got a diamond or a rock. And the most common is we forget to create the framework. So really 4 major things that we've got to do correctly in order to hit that home run. We've ultimately helped over 700 companies hire a talent either through our talent acquisition company or through our assessment company.